What's up, money team, aka the Patreons, aka the supporters, aka the family, aka the GOATs? What's up, guys? Welcome to yet another exclusive Patreon episode. In today's video, guys, we're going to be going over our technical analysis lessons, and this will be lesson number 7. And I'm going to be giving you guys my favorite indicator of all time, okay? This is an indicator which is 90% of time bullish, okay? If what I'm saying happens in this video, if this indicator is triggered, 90% of the time the stock is going to go on more of a run and it is going to keep going up, okay? So without further ado, hit the thumbs up button, maybe drop a comment if you're watching this on Patreon so I know you're here, and let's get this video started. Okay, so what is this indicator you're talking about, Money Talk? What is this indicator which is the most bullish of all time, of all indicators, which is your favorite indicator, which is the indicator that made you the most money when you used to day trade? Break of all-time highs. That's right, guys. This is going to be the break of all-time highs. So what does that mean? That means if a stock is trading between $10 and $20 for its lifetime, its whole lifetime, right? The stock keeps going to $10 and then it goes to $15. And then last year or 2 years ago, it went upwards of $20. It just hit $20, okay? It couldn't break $20, but $20 was its highest point of all time. This was the most expensive the stock had ever been. Okay, it has never passed $20 in its life. And now we get a catalyst where it's boosting the stock all the way up, and it looks like it's about to break past the $20 mark. Now, if it breaks past the $20 mark, guys, this is going to be the most bullish indicator of all time. Now, why is that? Why is break of all time highs one of the most bullish, or to me at least, one of the most bullish, let me just itch my eye, one of the most bullish indicators of all time? Well, that's because there's no more resistance. There is absolutely no more resistance, right, guys? When you look at the chart, right, look at this photo. When you look at the chart and you see that after this level, right, there's nothing but just chart. There's no more bars. There's just nothing left, okay? So after this point, guys, if we were to break the all-time highs, what we have and the things that we get as resistance are going to just become mental resistances, right? They're going to be psychological resistances that investors kind of impose on themselves in a way, right? So if it breaks $20, the next biggest resistance is going to be at $25, right, guys? Because we previously talked about the $half and the whole dollar resistances, right, which are crucial in day trading and swing trading. Okay, so what would that $20 be? What would $25? Now that $5, right, is what I'm trying to say. That $5 would be, for example, in a stock where its highest of all time is $1, right, is $1, then the next big resistance is going to be $1.50. Okay, now if a stock has the highest of $1.50, if it breaks $1.50, what do you think the next biggest resistance would be? So the highest of all time of the stock is $1.50. Okay, and now it just broke past $1.50. It's at $1.60. What is the next biggest resistance for the stock? I'm waiting. $2. Okay, it is $2. So that is what I'm talking about when I'm talking about that is the next psychological resistance, and the whole dollar resistances that are in place on investors, which are somewhat self-imposed. But however, as we do know, the stock does need a pullback. Okay, the stock can't just go all the way up. Okay, so with that being said, guys, that is one of my favorite indicators of all time, and it's just so easy to draw on the chart, right? Just literally go on a chart of all time, go on a yearly chart, go on whatever you like, right? And basically just press all time high, or rather press all time chart, right? Chart wise all time, and then draw the line on top of where is the highest point that the stock has ever been. And then if it breaks past that point, then it has broken the all-time highs. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this lesson. I try to, make it a little bit more fun with the zip action. Okay, so thank you for watching, guys. Happy investing. See you in another lesson. Money Talk.